Alright, welcome back my friends, John from Live for Wild channel. I did a visit to Venom Defense, and what a great family company, and let's do another upgrade to this AR9. You guys are probably getting tired of all these upgrades I've been doing to this AR9 and that kind of thing, but I really got to show this off. It's not on the market yet, but check out his website. He's got a lot of custom amazing workmanship that he does. Family owned business in Michigan. So this is what he gave me when I showed up at his place and did a tour and that kind of stuff, and there's a video out on that. So look at that. Just that thing looks wicked, and it's going to go right on here. So I'm just not going to bore you with it, but check out this. I will put this on right now. I'll show you the weight differences. You can add some class without losing, without adding more weight to your gun and making your gun your own. I'm pretty geeked about adding this on. And you'll see more AR builds coming. I'm working on one when I'm off for my knee surgery. Let's stick this up out of the way a second. I got this detent and the springs right there. I need a bigger bench. Maybe that's something I'm going to work on here. Alright, let's put this on the scale. Turn it on. Three ounces. Alright. Now this is 2 3/4 ounces. So you're actually losing a 1/4 ounce. But the workmanship on this thing is just amazing. You got to follow this. Follow him on Instagram. He's got some stuff that's just coming out that he's working on some very cool stuff. I'm going to put your Allen bolt in. I'm just going to put it in just enough so I don't have to wrench a ton. You can Loctite this if you want, but I'm not going to yet. But this seems like the most logical way to do it. Get it snug down. There you go. And put your detent back in place. I'm going to lay this back down. Okay. Come on. Put your spring in. For your safety detent. Oh. Get my other one started. I don't talk much when I'm doing stuff. I'll just get it done. Some people can talk and I lose track of what I'm doing. There we go. Snug down. Pull it out of here. That looks sweet. That looks freaking wicked. What great workmanship.